Folks, I'm giving you a video test of the Samsung HMX F90 Camcorder. This camcorder is on a tripod and is set to all of the factory default settings. It's recording at 720p HD. Now let me zoom in for you. That's full speed zoom in. It does kind of go out of focus on full speed zoom in. Let's try zooming in slower and see if the focus can keep up with it. The focus seems to be able to do a lot better. What the heck is that? There's some kind of a weird fly. Sorry, folks. The focus seems to be able to do a lot better once you go slower. Let's focus on that chair or that table. See, as you zoom slow, it's able to process and focus a lot better. And that is, oh, what's zooming on in there to that table? That is full focus, folks. Okay, let's zoom back out. Now I'm going to take it off of the tripod to demonstrate what type of steady shot it might have. I'm holding it in my hand. I'm trying to go into the menu and it does not allow me to go into the menu while it's recording. So I'm going to stop recording and go check the steady hand function. Okay, the anti-shake function was turned off and now it is turned on, and this is me holding it with my hand with the anti-shake function turned on. And let's just hold it with my hand and zoom in like that. I think the anti-shake works pretty good. Come to the tripod, and we're going to test panning from right to left or left to right and see how the video is affected when the camera is moved. Okay, that's just normal panning. I'm going to pan it very slow this time. I'm going to zoom all the way out and pan slowly. See if you get a nice smooth picture. Testing the colors, the greenery, and let's aim to the sky a little, which is a little cloudy over here. And if we pan to the right, we've got some break in the clouds where we do get some blue sky. Okay, and let's just pan around, back down. That concludes this test, folks, of the Samsung HMX F90.